Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're talking about a programming language for computers, and it can also be used on the Raspberry Pi. It's called Python. Okay, AI, take it away.
Python is an interpreted high-level programming language for general-purpose programming. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python has a design philosophy that emphasizes code readability, and a syntax that allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code, notably using significant whitespace. It provides constructs that enable clear programming on both small and large scales. Python features a dynamic type system and automatic memory management. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, imperative, functional and procedural, and has a large and comprehensive standard library. Python interpreters are available for many operating systems. Python, the reference implementation of Python, is open-sourced software and has a community-based development model, as do nearly all of its variant implementations. Python is managed by the non-profit Python Software Foundation. Python was conceived in the late 1980s, and its implementation began in December 1989 by Guido van Rossum at Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica, CWI, in the Netherlands as a successor to the ABC language, itself inspired by Settler, capable of exception handling and interfacing with the Amoeba operating system. Van Rossum remains Python's principal author. His continuing central role in Python's development is reflected in the title given to him by the Python community, Benevolent Dictator for Life, BDFL. On the origins of Python, Van Rossum wrote in 1996. In December 1989, I was looking for a hobby programming project that would keep me occupied during the week around Christmas. My office would be closed, but I had a home computer, and not much else on my hands. I decided to write an interpreter for the new scripting language I had been thinking about lately, a descendant of ABC that would appeal to Unix, C hackers. I chose Python as a working title for the project, being in a slightly irreverent mood, and a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido van Rossum. Python 2.0 was released on October 16, 2000 and had many major new features, including a cycle-detecting garbage collector and support for Unicode. With this release, the development process became more transparent and community-backed. Python 3.0, initially called Python 3000 or Pyet, was released on December 3, 2008 after a long testing period. It is a major revision of the language that is not backward compatible with previous versions. However, many of its major features have been backported to the backward compatible Python 2.6.x and 2.7.x version series. Python 2.7's end-of-life date, aka EOL, sunset date, was initially set at 2015, then postponed to 2020 out of concern that a large body of existing code could not easily be forward-ported to Python 3. In January 2017, Google announced work on a Python 2.7 to Go transcompiler. The Register speculated that this was in response to Python 2.7's planned end-of-life, but Google cited performance under concurrent workloads as their only motivation.
Thank you, AI. Now this is just a tutorial to tell you about Python. This is not showing you how it works. I did another video on that previously. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and see you later.